Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with extended single crochet mesh. Okay, to make the stitches we need odd number of stitches or multiples of chains, and I am going to use Hobby Store Aran yarn. It's chili pepper red with color code 2043, and I am going to use a 5 H hook. Begin with, let us make odd number of chains. I shall make odd number of chains and get back to you. I have made 15 plus 116 chains because I'm going to make the foundation single crochet stitches, all single crochet in each of the stitches. I'm not going to start the pattern right away. So I will be working one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and one single crochet all across to have odd number of stitches. I have 15 stitches here. So the very first one is going to be a extended single crochet. I'm not going to make a turning chain, just pull up the loop to the height of an extended single crochet, insert the yarn in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through one loop, and then yarn over, pull through both the loops. Chain 1, skip the next and make the extended single crochet in the next one. Yarn over, pull through into one, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Again chain 1, skip the next. In the next you work the extended single crochet, chain 1, skip the next. So continue this pattern till the end. Going to do chain 1, skip 1. In the next you are going to do the extended single crochet, chain 1, skip 1. In the next you are going to do extended single crochet. I will meet you at the end over here. I've come to the end of the row here, so I've chained 1. Place the extended single crochet in the very last stitch. Henceforth you're going to work only in the extended single crochets and not in the chain space. So turn your work, pull up the loop. In the very first you place your first extended single crochet, chain 1. In the next extended single crochet, insert your hook, place the extended single crochet, chain 1. So you're working on the stitches and not in the chain spaces. Because this is an extended single crochet, the loops get formed automatically and a free-flowing product will be formed. Chain 1, chain 1, skip 1, chain 1, and in the last you place your extended single crochet. So row after row you need to continue the same. This is how it will appear. So I'll make one more row and show you. Turn your work. You can make a chain 1 and then turn your work, absolutely fine. That will be convenient to make the extended single crochet. Chain 1, skip the chain space in the next extended single crochet, chain 1, skip the chain space, make extended single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the chain space, continue the same stitch on each of the extended single crochets. I'll meet you at the end here. This is a reversible stitch and a beautiful pattern, open work pattern, and it's very good for cardigans, scarves, shawls, and any product that you like. So this is how it appears. It's a beautiful pattern. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Shall meet you in the next video with the next pattern. Bye for now.